So they're all cut now to size. So these are the finished ones. That's what they're supposed to look like. And just need deburring. So we set the saw up. You can't beat having a proper fixture on the saw. Welder just stop on. There we go. Brilliant bit of kit, this little DeWalt saw. Especially now we've got it running true. This has done, must have done well over 1,000 cuts today. So, and that's Saturday lad, RT Cake. He's grafted, bless him. I rate him, he's a good lad. We like Tea Cake, he's good. He's a good one. But tell him I told him, but I like him.